What can you tell me about this?
I can tell you the Kettenkrad. Did I say it right?
Kettenkrad.
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 It's a motorbike. It's quite ironic. It's a motorbike with tracks.
That's right.
Bizarre.
Developed by the Germans in the Second World War. This is a 6th or 9th. What is it? It's a 9th scale. 9th scale iteration of this iconic vehicle, which served a huge purpose for the Germans in the war.
Bunker busters. What did they do with it?
They taxied aircraft with it.
Yep.
They used it as like an ambulance type thing, getting people off of the battlefield. You could maneuver through the east, like the muddy European terrains, which was quite popular. And it was just like a general like staff vehicle that they were using to transport munitions. It had a tow hitch as well, so you could tow different munitions and stuff with it.
Yep.
Yeah, it was definitely served its purpose really well. And the one thing I want to say about
one
this,
man crew?
No, it has 2 seats, but you could fit 3, 4
comfortably. They probably had heaps on at one stage.
Yeah, exactly. But the front section here,
yes,
your handlebars, didn't actually steer the vehicle.
No.
At all.
No.
Because it had these tracks, right?
That would be ridiculous. Wouldn't do anything.
It was just the philosophy of riding a motorbike that they used that for. The actual turning of the handlebars would
hydraulically actuate.
Yeah, it'd send a signal to the gearbox to stop one side of the tracks
or the
from
other.
Turning or the other. That's right, to turn the vehicle. So the front was just kind of to use something to turn it.
Yeah.
To tell it how to turn.
Very cool.
Which is pretty cool.
Very cool.
Yeah. Huge kit.
Yeah.
This is a massive model.
Are we going to have a look?
I don't know.
Are you going to go box diving?
20 minutes. Oh, let's do it in 2 minutes.
I don't mind.
Let's do it in 2 minutes.
2 minutes flat.
Let's do a speed run.
2 minutes flat.
All right.
That's a weird looking bike. I reckon it is.
It's a beautiful looking bike.
Is it?
It'd be worth like millions.
Much like yours.
Much like mine. Needs a service.
Probably has bigger CC. Oh my lord! Look at the size of the trunk. The what do you call them?
The tracks.
Track wheels.
Tracks. Look at how much plastic you get. It's filled to the brim.
The tracks.
You do. Individual tracks.
There you go.
There you go.
That's for the real
suspension
sailors.
And road wheels.
We probably don't even need to go.
No, don't go overhead.
No, don't go
suspension
overhead.
And road wheels. There you go. Here we have the subsection of the body, all of the swing arms for the wheels. Whoa! Here you have your seats molded in a soft rubber. There you go. You've got your front tire. Yeah. You got your front tire molded in rubber as well.
I do love rubber wheels and
tires. Rubber, and then you've got springs and different things. Some mesh
wiring
for some
and cables
grills.
And stuff.
That's right.
That's a massive kit,
isn't it? And then that's the hull, like the.
They always do bikes in weird scales, no? 1/9. How much of the military stuff is 1/9?
2 of them. I think they've made like a Kubelwagen and stuff as well, but yeah, not much of it at all. No, there you go. Chuck that one in there. There's that. What have I got? I've got 30 seconds left. Have a looking through the Kettenkrad.
And then what happens?
Decals. There you have your decals. You're having 3 or 4 schemes in this one, I believe.
Yeah.
Scheme there. You've got your winter scheme. You've got your summer scheme, and you've got Soviet scheme in the summer of offensive of the Eastern Front. There you go. You got mud flaps and everything.
Well,
it's all getting built.
Go through the mud.
Yeah. You got to get it all done. Levers and stuff.
Or levers.
Levers and levers.
No, levers.
Leverage.
Leave it to Beaver. Levers, mate. Levers.
I did well. That was under 2 minutes.
You always do well.
2-minute unboxing.
Yeah.
There you go.
Flat strap.
Beautiful.
Flat strap in 2 minutes.
So I struggled to get that one off, and I'm struggling to put that one on.